Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Alright, so yeah, we'll go over it. We'll go over today what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at, and yeah, let's go over it. So yeah, let's gonna pull up the chat here for the tube, and then yeah, I'm gonna tell the team members we're on live. So yeah, pretty much just getting started. Yo, Gonzo, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream. Alright. Pull this one up there. So yeah, pretty much just getting started here. Gonna tell the team we're on live now. 1 second. Alright, cool. Yep, just told the team we're on live. Yo, John, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Yo, Jose, man. Good morning, good morning. So yeah, I will be honest. 1 second. Shout out Jose for pulling up, bro. Really appreciate it, man. So yeah, I will be honest. Yesterday didn't have any real swings. Only had some lottos that I'm gonna just let ride out, of course. But other than that, no real swings. But today I'm looking for something different, something new. We're gonna pretty much start fresh today. As we do every day, of course. But yeah, we'll go over it. I do want to go over the cues. We'll go over SPY, Nvidia, Tesla. So yeah, we'll go over pretty much all these trades here. Alright, so right now, for the cues, let's go over this. And let's go to a 4-hour time frame. And then yeah, let's work our way down. So, I do like that 4 hour, I will say. It doesn't look bad. What I'm also liking, maybe we can go down to a lower time frame, maybe even a 2 hour. So let's see. 2 hour, 1 hour. And yeah, let's go ahead and break this down. So, inside the Discord, we look for the same play pretty much every single day. So, I do want to go to a possible 2 hour, 1 hour here. So, it looks like there is empty space here. I will be honest, yes, the cues look very, very crazy right here. So, yeah, that's a whole bunch of chop that I would never want to be in, of course. I will say, hold on. I want to make sure. I do like that 2 hour, though. Yo, Victor, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Yo, thanks for the follow as well. Really appreciate it. So, yeah. Obviously, of course, what is this? Still empty space above us. I will be completely honest. I do like this empty space below us that honestly looks really good. So, let's see. So, I'm looking at points of contact here. So, top wall there. Personally, there is his bottom wall here. I just feel like we've been stuck inside of this crazy consolidation. And I'm waiting for this downside. I will definitely take this gladly if we can break under this bottom level, this bottom wall here. But I'll be honest, on a lower time frame, yes, there's a gap here as well. But if I end up taking something like that, it will be more of a lotto for sure. Alright, so 1 hour chart. What am I seeing here? Empty space. I still feel the same way about the downside. I still like it a lot. Honestly, I do want to see this today. If we can get it. And you know, it looks good. It looks great. But yeah, I do want to see if we can get that. Also, the top, of course, I'm going to wait for a nice candle body closure above, since it's been stalling around for sure. But entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That doesn't look too bad. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. We got news today, and tomorrow I want to see gap fill today and maybe the downside play. Yeah, so for today, what? Obviously, it's Thursday. Okay, so we got a little bit there. Let me see. Friday too as well. 1 second, 1 second. All right. Core price index. All right, cool. All right, so 1 second here. So that was on the queues. Let's go over some more trades here. Yo, Jake, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. So Starbucks, JPM, yeah, no worries. So S-Bucks, I'm gonna just pull these up really quickly. JPM. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do all these trades here. Do Roku? Yo, Clay, what's up, man? Roku also, yeah, we can go over AQB. All right, cool, yeah, no worries. And you know, all of our trades inside of our Discord exactly alike. You can see what we did yesterday. Obviously, yes, I wanted PLTR. I was in it, but yeah, I got stopped out of it. But you can see the plays that did end up working. Obviously, the day trades ended up stalling, so it was just nothing but lottos. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, each play is exactly the same. You can see how we call it out. If the play hits, cool. If the play doesn't, that's fine. But anyways, yeah, let's keep going. So yeah, I do want to go over Tesla right now too, and then we'll go ahead and knock out pretty much everything else. Kind of look at Gap. Yo, DC Data, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. And Affirm, yeah, no worries. Good to see you guys and gals. So Tesla, honestly, I like that 4 hour. So I will say there's two possible outcomes that I potentially like. So there is this 4 hour box here that I can clearly see. This is something that I would love. So what? Top all here, bottom all here. So we have an area of consolidation, as you can see right here. And right under us, you can easily see, yes, we have a nice little pocket here, nice little gap, whatever you want to call it, that I would love to target into. I get it, yes, we're still in consolidation, so there's nothing for me to do. But yes, we get underneath this bottom wall, or maybe if we can grab at seller's control, maybe I'll take some light puts there. Do want to see if we can make it all the way down here. So yes, we do have the empty space. We have exactly what we want. I know what I'm targeting. Doesn't look too bad. So as for right now, we are in consolidation. I will be honest, this morning I did see this 1 hour too. Hold on, let me see. So I get it. Yes, we do have that, you know, bigger move. Hold on. I'm just going to remove this box really quickly, get it out the way so everyone can see what I'm looking at. So yes, pretty much same thing. And yeah, same thing here. What nice top wall there. Decent bottom wall. Personally, I would do it like right here. So I saw what 2 points of contact. I'm using Wix this time. So right now I'm looking at these 2 points of contact. So we had body candle, and also a wick. That's 3. Then I seen a wick here and also a wick there. So that's also 2. So 1 second here, 1 second. So yeah, as of right now, what do I see under us? There's another gap. So yeah, we've seen that 4 hour, looked great. Obviously, I'm not taking anything there, sorry. From entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, I do like that 1 hour. That looks really good. Definitely would love to see if we could somehow get under there, which doesn't look bad. But as of right now, you know, like I tell the team members, if we're in chop, if we're in consolidation, there's just nothing for me to do. So what? Obviously, we had a couple decent swings yesterday. I did want PLTR, of course. But yeah, that was the one I got stopped out on. Obviously, I had some lottos still letting ride out, but those are just lottos. But yes, you can see the play hits fine. If the play doesn't work, that's fine. I can always stop out and get that re-entry. And also, I gotta plug my MacBook in before it turns off. So that would probably be a good idea. Yo, Leah, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. I killed yesterday. I had 58 snow calls and yo, DC Dad, yeah, keep up the great work, man. Yeah, keep it up. Love to hear it. All right, so let's see here. So yeah, that was on Tesla. Let's keep on going here. So we got to go over Starbucks, a couple other ones. I do want to start fresh, even though something looked like it hit there. And yes, each trade in our Discord is exactly the same. Good to see you, Leah. Really appreciate it tuning in. And user, thanks for sharing the live stream. If video had good earnings support, you think it will jump? Yeah, we'll check it out. I'll check it out for sure. All right, so let's go to a. So I will be honest, you know, on Starbucks, I already have my alert pretty much set. This is what I'm looking for, which is this empty space here. But that's a little bit irrelevant right now, since, you know, we're nowhere near that entry, of course. What I can see here is this. Yes, we do have a little empty space above us, but hold on. So there is a little empty space above us here that I can see. Actually, yeah, okay, yeah, this doesn't look terrible. So I get it. Not the craziest move, but I still like it. Let's see. So what? Top wall there. There is a bottom wall here. So that's points of contact. This is an area of consolidation that needs to be broken. If we can get above this top wall here, I don't see any resistance until this green candle. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. You know, it doesn't look terrible. Personally, yeah, I would just wait for that. Of course. Yeah, that's just what I'm seeing there. All right, cool. SPY. All right, so SPY, we got to go over a couple other ones as well. Yo, all right, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. Told them in the chat it was gonna go up. So yeah, we'll see. I think yeah, I only had a couple lotto plays, nothing crazy. I told the team members yesterday, I was like, I do see a couple good plays, but no regular entries for me, only lottos. I just want to start fresh today, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so SPY, let's see. I mean, there's nothing to really stop us to the upside from what I can say. That's not something that I would just jump into, of course. I get it. Could we potentially continue? Yes, we could. But I do want to see if we can. Let's see. So that's that 1 hour, 4 hour charts. Let's see here. So I will say, yeah, there is points of contact here. But I will be honest, I don't really like this setup as much. I like the Q setup a lot better, for sure. Still, there is that empty space here that I like that doesn't look terrible. So yeah, as of right now, from the entry to the exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. Or at least exactly what I want. So, I do want to see if we can get this seller's control and break down into that empty space. So same thing, just like all of our trades, you can see what we did yesterday. Obviously, the other swing that I did want was what, PLTR. So yeah, I'm going to find a re-entry on that. So that's fine. If one play doesn't work, you can see the other plays that do. And you can see how we pretty much call out setups. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So SPY, I like it. We're just in consolidation. We'll go to JPM too as well. Let's see. Pumpkin spice started. Honestly, I've never tried it, so I don't know if I want to try it. I don't know how I feel about pumpkin spice, but I heard it's really good, so maybe I'll take one for the team and try it. All right, so yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything. All right, so JPM, let's see. All right, doesn't look like there's anything to stop us there. Personally, I don't want to just get into an entry like that just because that's not how I trade. So I do want to go down to a possible lower time frame. Pumpkin spice is really good if you like pumpkin. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I don't know. You know what? I'll try it. I'll try it later, and Yeah, well, I'll show you my real review for sure. All right, so JPM, this is what I like here. So let me stop yapping. Let's see. Okay, so there's a Potter box here. This is this empty space that I like, which is under us. So yes, we do have a nice little gap here that looks really good. Obviously, what I can see is if we can get under this bottom wall here, we do have empty space which is under us. So, you know, it looks good, it looks decent. But as of right now, I personally wouldn't, you know, chase into this. Obviously, yes, you know, you can see it a little bit differently. But yeah, that's just what I'm seeing there. All right, cool. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going. So, what's RBLX? We'll go over BBY. I'm definitely gonna let this one ride out too. So let's see, AQB, we gotta go over this too as well. So for BBY, I will say, you know, what we ended up closing at this, what, 75.32. I will say, you know, obviously lottos are only lottos for me. I told the team, you know, nothing crazy. Didn't see anything too wild. But I do like this. So I did like this upside. I get it, yes. You know, both sides were playing around, so I feel like the contracts may open up a little flat. So I would want to see if we could potentially, and sorry, I'll turn that back on. I do want to see if we can go into this empty space here. So my first target was at 82.50, and then that final was at 89.50. Obviously, lotto plays, I really don't care. I mean, obviously, if it does go up and hit the targets, cool, great. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing though. So I had a decent comeback for sure. But yeah, still maybe a little flat at open, unless if we can somehow get those breaks. But yeah, I'll see how letting it ride out will do that. All right, so that is on BBY. Okay, let's keep on going here. I already know you guys want me to look at this too. So the main reason why I didn't play this one, and if I did, it still would have been a lotto. It's because I feel like the contracts would have opened up flat. As you can see, as of just yesterday we had, it ended up having a crazy drop. Now you can see we are, you know, heading up, of course. So if I would have gotten into like puts or calls, yeah, I pretty much would have been cooked for sure. We're right back at, you know, that same area where we closed at. But yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. Maybe on, you know, a lower time frame there could be a play, but personally, yeah, I'm just gonna leave this alone until I see like a decent setup that I like. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. Yo, Drew, yeah. So yes, I'm using the Potter Rocks right now. So yeah, shout out to Potter Stocks as well. And yes, I do have a podcast that will be dropping soon too. So we're working on that all yesterday, all last night. So yeah, we'll keep on going though. What a joke. HK, yeah, no worries, man. Hope you're having a blessed day today, man. So yeah, no worries. All right, so yeah, let's go over Roblox. Let's take a look here. Yo, Mr. Green, what's up? So TTD, UNH, CRWV, and Tesla. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll go over those. All right, RBLX. Let's see here. And yes, if you did submit a request, I'm trying my best. So yeah, we'll we'll try to go over pretty much everything. So no worries. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's go to a possible 2 hour, 1 hour, maybe a weekly chart here. I will be honest. Yes, there is empty space here that I can see. I'm just not really seeing a really good setup that I would take, to be honest. Maybe there is something here that doesn't look bad. Hold on, let's see. I mean, yeah, I get it. You know, there's empty space below us that I can see. This is, I will be honest, it's not something that I probably would take, though. Just to be completely honest. I get it. Yeah, there is that empty space there. Unless I see, you know, something really decent here if we get like a nice push. But other than that, yeah, I personally would skip it for sure. I mean, I'm not saying the play can't hit. I'm not saying that at all. All that I'm saying is there are just other plays that look good, or look better, of course. But yeah, this one's all right for sure. All right, so yeah, we'll keep going here. We'll see. I'll take a look. Can I do HOD? Yeah, no worries. So what? Let me pull up all these other trades. TTD. He said, yeah, that one's not looking good. So yeah, there will be plays, you know, that look great, and there will be plays that don't look decent at all. So like, you know, personally for me, I like plays that look very simple, that have easy, simple targets. So like what? AVGO. Obviously, I want that final target for something nice. But yes, there's empty space. If it's very clear, that's what I want. But, and obviously PLTR, like yesterday, what I got stopped out on that trade, which is perfectly fine. So if one trade doesn't work out, I know that another trade will. So there's just no point in me upholding a losing trade. So, well, yesterday, PLTR wasn't a perfect setup, perfect play. But yeah, we just ended up going back into the box there. All right, so let's keep on going here. TTD, UNH, AQB, HOD. Okay, cool. And then we got to go over Tesla. So yeah, we'll go over Tesla too. BBY. Hold on one second. And also, I do want to see where AMD is. Hold on. Let me see where we're... Okay, so... Okay, we're close. We're close. We'll go over it too. So maybe we'll get this. We'll see. Yo, Rise and Shine. What's up? What's up? Good to see you. I got you with ADB. Yeah, no worries. So... maybe we'll get this. We'll have to see. I've been waiting on this one, what, all week? Yeah, that looks really good. So yeah, what I'm looking at here is this. Yo, Jake, what's up, bro? Thanks for the gift. Thanks for the roses. So I will say we still have this empty space. I feel the same way about it. Clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I want, right? As you see, yes, we do have a nice Potter box, a nice top wall, bottom wall. I'm still waiting for this top wall to be broken. So that 168.85 is what I would need a break and close over in order for me to go up to this upside. And yes, I would definitely try a lower time frame entry. 30 minute, okay, 15 minute, let's see. Okay, yeah, I definitely would like to try a lower time frame entry if we can get it. But yeah, 1 hour, what I'm looking at, if we can get above, get that nice closure above, yeah, I'll definitely end up taking it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how that plays out. Obviously, no, not selling anyone to get into any trades, any positions, so please, please, do your own research, of course. All right, so UNH, and yeah, same exact thing. Yo, Joe, what's up, bro? Did I go over? I think I did, but yeah, we can go over that again. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going. All right, one second here. Yo, just Ed, what's up? I'm new to stream. Yo, yeah, yeah, thanks for being here. Really appreciate it. Welcome to the stream. All right, so UNH, I still feel the same way about it. I like this 4 hour. Obviously, what did I say? What, just yesterday, the other day? We were at buyer's control, and this is where price can end up pushing up. So that was the reason why I didn't get in. Obviously, I could have took some buys from buyer's control, which led us to going up. But you can see entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So yes, what is this? We have an empty space here. I get it, yes. Buyers took control, so yes. Buyers control the bottom. Sellers control the top wall there. And yeah, that's what I'm looking at. NVIDIA contracts for this week are cooked. Exactly, yeah, that's exactly why I didn't take it. I know it would have made a decent move, but nothing too wild. Alright, so that is on UNH. Looks good. We got to go over TTD, all these other trades too as well. And hold on, what is this CRWV you guys are talking about here? CRWV, okay. Alright, I see what you're saying. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, yeah, give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to get me some more water. I'm literally out. Sorry if I... So yeah, 1 second here. I'll be right back. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat. Link is in the bio. If you don't want to join, you don't have to. No worries. I'm always on live anyways. But yes, give me 1 second here. I'm going to get me some more water. All right, so yeah, let's keep on going. Yeah, let's go over this too as well. Hold on 1 second here. INTC. Dang, AMD looks good. I like AMD. All right, anyways, so CRWV. Yeah, that looks great. I like it. I like it a lot. And I like this 1 hour too. So, okay, this is what I'm seeing. I get it. Yes, we ended up grabbing this floor here. Ended up going to this upside. What looks good to me is... Hold on. 1 second here. So, my bad. So, yeah, what I can see here is we do have this clear move up or clear move down. Clear sell-off. No consolidation. This is what I would like to this upside. So maybe I'll set an alert there. If we can get that nice break and candle body closure above, I will say, yeah, we do have that empty space above us. That looks good. And for a play like this, if we do end up getting that break and closure above, or if I took it on a lower time frame, I would just use, yeah, I could use this box as a stop loss. So if we're going up, it's going well, cool, it's great. But if we end up coming back to the box, yeah, I'll stop out. Maybe I'll give it a little bit of breathing room, see if we can get a nice recess. If we can't, I'm just gonna see if we can cut it and find that re-entry. All right, so that is on CRWV. That's what I like. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. So yeah, maybe I'll give it a little bit of breathing room for sure. But yeah, if I do have to cut a trade, I definitely will. And no, I'm not in anything. So yes, please do your own research. Yeah, that looks nice. There are a couple good trades that don't look bad today. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Sorry, yeah, so let's keep on going. What, 80 BE? So we got to go over 80 BE and also... What? 1 second here. Let me see, IWM. Oh yeah, I haven't even went over IWM yet. So yeah, we'll go over that too. And SOFI, are you buying or selling AMD? Personally, I'm not in AMD right now. I couldn't be if I wanted to, but if we can break above, I do want to see that empty space. So I get it, but I think it was Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, I believe. We tried to get above. We couldn't even hold above. Like, not even for 30 seconds. So I do want to see if we can get a nice clear break. Maybe I'll take a lower time frame entry on it and see if I can use that box as a stop loss if we can get above. But yeah, if we stay in this box, if we stay in consolidation, oh yeah, I'm not taking anything. At least not right now. So yeah, we'll see. All right, so snow. Yeah, we'll keep going. We'll look at this too as well. Honestly, I should have hedged. I usually hedge, but let's see. So yeah, snow. Obviously, downside still looks good. But yeah, buyers ended up taking control there. Push price to that 225. Could we potentially continue? We definitely could. Into that empty space there. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. But yeah, still looks really good. Not bad. Alright, so that is on snow. Yeah, had a crazy move for sure. It wasn't like Nvidia had a decent move and then it just went back to the same place. Alright, so let's see. So what, TTD and UNH? So we did UNH. Okay, I believe we did UNH. TTD. I do want to start fresh though. I probably have something here already, but screw that. Okay, yeah, I do see exactly what I like here already. Let's see. So okay, yeah, we did this on a 4 hour. We did have a nice area of consolidation here. So basically, yes. Entry to exit. So where I would want to enter to where I would want to exit. The literal middle of the move. So yes, the direct middle is something that I would definitely target. So yes, we do have crazy empty space above us. Obviously, yes, we have been inside of this area of consolidation that needs to be broken. So I do want to see if we can get a nice little break outside this box, outside this wall, into that empty space. So same thing, just like all of our other trades. You can see, obviously Tesla, we broke outside of our wall. We started continuing up. We touched that first TP. So once we get that nice break, I'm looking for that empty space into that upside. Obviously, yes, you know, if one play doesn't work, just find another play. You can see, you know, how we pretty much call out setups inside the Discord. Obviously, yesterday I wanted a couple day trades, but we just kept on stalling and chopping. So yeah, that was pretty much it. All right, so let's take a look. So that's on TTD, MCI. Where is Tesla too? That's not Tesla. All right, let's get off this weekly chart. I just want to see where we're at currently. Hold on. Is there empty space above us too? Actually, there is. So that's on a 2 hour. Hold on, give me a second. I am seeing a little something here. I get it. Yes, I like the downside. And also, you know, there's just nothing to stop me if we get that empty space below us. But I'm also seeing that there's a little upside here. It's not even, I don't think it's worth it though. Maybe on a 2 hour it is. Let's see, 358. Okay. Hold on 1 second here. So yeah, what I can see currently is this. So yeah, we do have this what? Clear move down, no consolidation. This is what I would like to the upside. If we can get it, you can see, yes, we do have a nice Potter box there. Right above us. So if I ended up getting into this one, it'll be more of a smaller play, of course. Actually, yeah, we'll have to see. So, well, we do have empty space above us. Maybe I'll set an alert there. It's cool. So entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want, or at least I do. So yeah, both ways, you know, there's a little play. There's empty space. So that's what I'm targeting. If we're in consolidation, you know, I'm not going to take anything. I'm just going to wait it out and see which direction it wants to go in. Obviously, you know, if we can get this bottom move, still doesn't look bad. So, you know, just like yesterday, the other day, a lot of, you know, the trades, we were in the box, we were consolidating. I don't take anything. I'll only take the trade if we can break outside of our wall going into that empty space. So you can see even what Monday, before, after, before, the after, that's what I'm looking for. So yeah, right now, this right here, yeah, I'm not I'm not touching that. I'm going to leave it alone. If we want to, you know, chop this whole entire day, obviously, I don't think we will. But let's just say if, or at least if this trade does, I'm just going to leave it alone. All right, so ADBE, let's take a look here. Got you, Rise and Shine. So let's see. So 360, 369. So that 24 hour looks good. I do like that 24 hour. That 4 hour looks beautiful too, though. So pretty much the same thing. It's just on a 4 hour. So yeah, what I can see here, nice Potter box. So yes, we do have an area of consolidation that needs to be broken. I get it. Yes, below us here. I do like the above us though. So as for right now, yes, we are still in this consolidation area. I don't really want to, you know, take a trade right now just because, of course, we're in consolidation. But if we can get this nice candle close at this 363 area, we do have that empty space above us, which honestly looks good. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking for. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, for today, I'm looking for maybe 1 or 2 day trades. And then, yeah, I want some, you know, real swings today. Later today. So yeah, we'll have to see. Yo, Raj and Sean, yeah, thanks for pulling up to the live stream. Really appreciate it. So yeah, I didn't forget. All right, so yeah, we'll go over the other ones as well. Yo, everyone in the other stream, really appreciate it. All tuning into. All right, so ADBE, SPY. Let's see. SMCI. Okay. Yeah, we can go over that. CWD. Can I do S? So yeah, we'll do SMCI right now. No worries. And yeah, I do want to go to a higher time frame and then work my way down. So yes, higher time frame analysis, and then we'll have a lower time frame entry. So yeah, what I'm looking at here is oh wow, yeah, that looks really good. Yeah, that looks decent actually. I do like it. Hold on, give me a second here. All right, so I'm going to do my box like this. Yeah, that looks really good. So looks like we are reclaiming this floor here. Yeah, that looks decent. That looks, yeah, not bad. Not bad. SMCI. Okay. So it looks like I couldn't even take an entry at that floor area if I wanted to. So yeah, this is the top wall that I see. I'm looking at points of contact. There's a wick. There's a body candle there that looks good. Yeah, that looks decent actually. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna set my alert on this. I might take an early entry on it. We'll see. We'll see how it plays out. But you know, even if I don't do that, I would love to see if we can at least break over call spaces, or we get that nice candle closure above that 46.52 area. Yeah, that looks good. We do have that empty space here. What? So clear gap, no consolidation. This is what I would be targeting to the upside. Yeah. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade, so please, please do your own research before doing anything. Let me see. Or it's because of the wicks and more contact for that. So, at least for this one, I can even go down to a 4-hour time frame. Hold on, let me see. So let's see, 4-hour. So if I wanted to take this over on a 4-hour, I personally would wait over that 47.53 area. That's what I'm looking at. But on a 24-hour, so that's points of contact. This could be, you know, another great box. So 4-hour, I like it. If I take it during the day, yeah, I want to see that 47.53. I'm actually going to leave that up actually. But if it's the end of the day on a 24-hour, and yeah, this is just for me. Obviously, you know, you could see it differently, which is fine. But yeah, if we end up getting that 24-hour close above, looks good. But yeah, I did see there was a body candle and also a wick there, which are closing perfectly. So that was my points of contact there. And it looks like we end up punching outside this wall here. So yeah, I originally do like to, you know, draw bigger boxes, of course, but that wouldn't have been correct. I do want to see if we can get above there. So that's just what I'm seeing. Yeah, that looks mean if we can get it. That looks crazy, actually. So yeah, not bad at all. Yo, Derek, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Yeah, so we'll see how that plays out. Yeah, we'll see. All right, so that's on what, SMCI? Okay. AMD is moving. Hold on, let me see. AMD. Yo, Samir, what's up, bro? So yeah, I'm keeping an eye on that. Hold on 1 second here. 1 second. Alright, so PLTR. Alright, so as for yesterday, right? So what you can see, you know, the other plays that ended up working. I did want a PLTR, but it was the perfect play. So you can see the other plays. What we ended up greening on. Obviously, yes. What was this? We ended up having a break above our top wall, right? And yeah, it was going great. It was going good. We were up. And then right at open, we ended up flushing down. So yeah, ended up getting out of that position, which is perfectly fine. So, you know, there are plays that, and, you know, that's why stop losses are there for a reason. So if I have to get stopped out on something small to gain something big, that's perfectly fine. So yeah, I'm here if my trade hits or if my trade, you know, doesn't. Obviously, I did want this one, but not the right time. So I will keep an eye on this one. If we can still get it, I'll still end up taking it for sure. So you can see if one play doesn't work, look for another one. You can see what we did yesterday. So obviously, yes, I did want that. I wanted it to hit the targets. It was a perfect play. But yeah, we just went inside that box there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So there's no shame in anything. I still like it a lot. So once we can get it, it looks decent. Yo, Melissa, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. All right, so that's on PLTR. Maybe I'll try it over that 163 now. So yeah, if we can get a nice strong push, I do like it. All right, so we'll keep on going. Dang, AMD is moving. That looks good too. Yeah, we're right here. So, what, on Monday we got above, right? We ended up getting above. I think this time we could end up finishing it. I know I sound crazy. And that's if we can get above. That's only if we can. If we can't, oh yeah, there's just no trade, nothing for me to do, of course. I do want something confirmed on this. If we can get a nice candle closure above. If I do end up taking this at open, near open, yeah, I do want to. It's only going to be, you know, a lotto, a little starter. If I have to cut it really quickly, I will. But, you know, that's pretty much what I'm seeing. But yeah, if we can get a nice close, yeah, I'll definitely go a lot more. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on that. That looks really good. Alright, so... And yeah, it's not telling anyone to get into any trade, so please do your own research before doing anything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, Tesla and also MSFT. That's cool. So I would like a 1 hour, but you know, if I go down to I could even go down to a 5 minute if I wanted to. But if I do try it on a lower time frame, I'll just have to use this box as a stop loss. So there will be times I actually recorded myself getting into a couple entries where I would go down to a lower time frame for our entry and just use that box as a stop loss. So same thing like what, obviously you can see the plays that ended up hitting yesterday, before to after, stop loss didn't end up hitting, so I didn't have to get out. But PLTR, so if we go up, let's just say if we're going up, it's going good. If we don't retest the top wall, yeah, I'm gonna, you know, find that reentry. All right, so yeah, we'll keep going here. So MSFT, yeah, no worries. All right, so Microsoft. Let's take a look here. So okay, yeah, I do have something here that looks really good. Hold on one second. One second. One second here. All right. Okay, Microsoft. Let me see. I think I did this on a 4 hour. No, I didn't. I'm lying there. Okay, so 1 hour. Okay, I still like it like this. It still looks good. What I'm seeing is, you know, this. So yes, same exact thing that I still like, which is this empty space. So I get it. You know, we're close. We're very close to it. But what I'm seeing is, yes, we do have this nice empty space. This is what I like. We do have a nice Potter box here. So maybe I could move this down there just a bit, make it perfect. And yeah, so we have a nice Potter box that I'm looking to have a break above, even above this cost base area. That 5-10 area looks really good. But if we can continue to this upside, we do have this empty space, which honestly looks really good. So yes, right now, nowhere near this. So just gonna wait. I see you use a box trade. So yeah, I'm using the Potter box right now. This is how I pretty much get in all of my entries. Shout out Potter Stocks as well, so make sure give them a follow, hug, kiss, all that good stuff. But yeah, just my own analysis. Obviously, if one play doesn't work, I just get into the next. And I literally look for the same play each day. So yes, each play is going to be exactly the same. So you can see, obviously it probably doesn't want to load, but you can see if we're in the box, in the area consolidation, I don't take it. If we can break under this ball, we have the entry there. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. So that's what I tell the members. This is how I pretty much, inside of my Discord, how I call out trades. And once we get them, yeah, I'm going to get in. And yeah, if it hits, cool. If it doesn't hit, you know, that's perfectly fine too. All right, so yeah, we'll keep going. So what? We got to go over... Monday. All right, cool. 1 second here. So SPY, POTR, Tesla. Okay, guy, I think you guys wanted me to look at Tesla too, right? So there is an original, what, 4-hour move that I'm seeing. So there's a box here. So don't even get confused with anything else. There's empty space, and yes, there are boxes overlapping over other boxes, which is perfectly fine. What I'm seeing, what I'm looking at is, and I like this 4-hour. If we can get under that, what, 338, it looks good to this downside. They're not meant to do all that, but I'm also seeing maybe if I want to take it on the 1-hour. There's also empty space here. So by the time, let's just say if this play ends up hitting there, by the time my final gets hit, maybe I can leave a runner or so, see if we can hit that final there, or hit to this downside there. So that's just what I'm seeing. Obviously, yes, right now we're just in still consolidation, so just going to wait on that and see how everything's going to play out. Let's see. Alright, so SPY. Yo, Joe, what's up, bro? So, I will be completely honest. So, if we end up getting that break above, there might not be anything to stop us, right? But, you know, I get it. Yes, could that end up happening? It definitely could. But I'm just not going to trade like that. I'm just want to target this empty space if we can. So, I mean, yeah, if we end up breaking above this top wall, could we potentially continue? We definitely could. Obviously, yes, if we end up rejecting this area, this is where sellers have control. We could end up seeing that push there. And then, yeah, we have empty space down there, which honestly looks really good. Not too bad. So, that's what I'm seeing there. Doesn't look too terrible, though. All right, so IWM. I need to go over this, too. All right, so IWM. Start fresh there. Dang, I had a decent move up. And yes, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back in just, like, literally 1 second. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries, you don't have to. But yeah, 1 second here, guys. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. AMZN? I haven't even checked that. So yeah, let's take a look. And yeah, let's go ahead and... Okay, I probably can see what you're saying there. So yeah, just maybe. So yes, each trade exactly the same, of course. Personally, let's see. I still like the downside though. I mean, I get it. We could end up targeting to that empty space above us. I can see we end up gapping up. Personally, yeah, that doesn't look bad here. So, yeah, it looks really good. There's another box here. There's empty space below us, which honestly looks good. So yes, entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So yeah, it doesn't look bad there. I get it, maybe on a lower time frame, there's, you know, a nice gap, but I would look for a little bit more structure. Really wouldn't want to just take that just as of this second, though. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. It actually doesn't look too terrible. So yeah, we shall see. He said the rich are going to get a 4-day weekend in the Hamptons. That's crazy. All right, yeah, let's see. Hold on, 1 second here. Let's see where BBY is. Oh, nice. BBY is having a nice little push. Nothing crazy, though, but decent little push. Do want to see if we can hit those targets. All right, so that is on. We'll leave that alone. So AMZN, obviously, yes, I love the downside. I like it a lot. But, yeah, that upside looks good, too. Hold on. So, top all there, bottom all here. We do have that empty space, which is currently above us. So, if we do end up getting that, nice break, I get it, small move, nothing crazy. Nothing that, you know, I'm just going to full port in and, you know, it's just because it's a smaller move, of course, but still doesn't look too bad. So right now, as you can see, doesn't look terrible. Yo, Pixel, what's up? And DP, what's up, guys and gals? Really appreciate y'all tuning in. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. If we can get a break above, that looks really good. So gap. Wow. So it looks like, yeah, gap ended up hitting that first. If it does hit that final, I do want to see if we can hit that, 22.75. So that's what I'm looking at there. And yes, you know, each trade is going to be exactly alike. And I get it, more empty space above us too, which looks good. But yeah, each trade in our Discord is exactly like. You know, I don't change anything. You can see, you know, the type of plays that I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Obviously, yeah, we had a couple days, we were in shop, which is fine. But I'm looking for the bigger picture. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I'm looking for sure. So, yeah, CRWV, we're like right there. So, you know, it looks good, looks decent. Do want to see if we can potentially, you know, get this nice little break above, which doesn't look bad. So, yeah, right now, we are currently almost at this wall there from what I can see. So if we can, yeah, that's just if we can potentially get this nice break close above, looks pretty good to the upside. So yeah, honestly doesn't look bad from, you know, as of this second, it looks good, but I do want to see if we can potentially get that nice break. So from that 103, there's really nothing to stop us that I can see. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing, which doesn't look too terrible. Doesn't look bad. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. So yes, if you do want to join, you can join the free chat. You can also join, you know, the VIP chat as well. You can also, you know, join the free chat, talk to the members, see what we do here. And yeah. And also look forward to the podcast coming too as well. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. I really, really appreciate it. If you do want to join, cool. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll be back on live in like 2 hours or so. So yes, have a blessed one, guys and gals. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. See you either in the Discord or in the live stream.